Hello everyone. Today you will be working on CKLA Skills Unit 1, Lesson 26. In today's lesson, you will read and write words with double letter spellings. You will also identify common nouns that name people, places, and things. Let's begin with our double letter spellings. Here we see the letters FF. FF makes the sound F. Say F. Read the keyword. The keyword is stuff. Take a look at the power bar for the FF sound. Is this a common spelling for the F sound? This is not a common spelling for the F sound. Notice that there is a red outline for this spelling card because it is a consonant sound. Take a look at this spelling card. This is the spelling card for SS. SS makes the S sound. Say S. Read the keyword. This keyword is dress. Say dress. Take a look at the power bar for SS. Is this a common spelling for the S sound? This is not a more common spelling for the S sound. Notice that the S sound has a red outline for this spelling card because it is a consonant sound. Take a look at the ZZ spelling card. The ZZ says Z. Say Z. Read the keyword. This keyword is buzz. Take a look at the power bar for the Z sound. Is this a common spelling for the Z sound? No, that's a small power bar. Notice that this card has a red outline because it is a consonant sound. Take a look at this spelling card. MM says Say Read the keyword. This keyword is swimming. Say swimming. Look at the power bar for the MM. Is this a common spelling for the sound? No, it's not. Notice that the MM has a red outline on this spelling card because the sound is a consonant sound. Take a look at this spelling card. This is the NN spelling card. NN says n. Say n. Read the keyword. This keyword is running. Say running. Take a look at the power bar for the NN. Is this a common spelling for the N sound? No, it's not. This is a small power bar. Notice that the NN has a red outline on this spelling card because N is a consonant sound. Take a look at this spelling card. This is the RR spelling card. RR says Say Read the keyword. This keyword is ferret. Say ferret. Take a look at the power bar for the RR card. Is this a common spelling for the sound? Nope, small power bar, it is not a common spelling. Notice that the RR has a red outline on this spelling card because the sound is a consonant sound. So we have been learning about nouns that name people. Listen carefully to the next phrase and repeat after me. Mom sings. Repeat. Which word in this phrase names a person? Mom names a person. The word mom is a person, and the word for a part of speech that names a person is a noun. We have also been learning about nouns that name things. Listen carefully to the next phrase and repeat after me. Ball rolls. Repeat. Which word in this phrase names a thing? Ball. The word ball is a thing, and the word for a part of speech that names a thing is a noun. Can you tell me what we call the part of speech that names a thing? We call that part of speech a noun. Nouns can also name places. Listen carefully to the next phrase and repeat after me. My school. Repeat. Which word in this phrase names a place? School. The word school is a place, and the word for a part of speech that names a place is a noun. Listen carefully to the following phrases and tell me the word that is a person, place, or thing, which is a noun. I would like for you to repeat after me. My mom. Repeat. Which word is a person, place, or thing? Mom. What kind of noun is it? The word mom is a person. A word that names a person is called a noun. Let's try another. Repeat after me. A big dog. Which word is a noun? The word dog is a noun. What kind of noun is dog? A person, place, or thing? The word dog is a thing. A word that names a thing is called a noun. Repeat after me. Our house. Which word is a noun? House. What kind of noun is house? The word house is a thing. House could also be a place, but you have to pay attention to how it is used in the sentence or phrase. So when we say our house, we're referring to house as a thing. A word that names a thing is called a noun. Repeat after me. The playground. Which word is a noun? Playground is a noun. What kind of noun is playground? A person, place, or thing? The word playground is a place. A word that names a place is called a noun. Repeat after me. The principal. Which word is a noun? Principal is a noun. What kind of noun is principal? A person, place, or thing? The word principal is a person. A word that names a person is called a noun. Repeat after me. A book. Which word is a noun? Book is a noun. What kind of noun is book? A person, place, or thing? The word book is a thing. A word that names a thing is called a noun. So what do we call a part of speech that names a person, place, or thing? We call those nouns. Now let's get on to our story. In today's story, Nat, Beth, and their moms go to a flag shop. Each country has a flag that is unique to them, which means that it is special to them. The U.S. flag is red, white, and blue, and it has stars and stripes. Flags are made up of symbols and colors that represent important things about each country. Do you know what the stars stand for on the U.S. flag? The stars on the U.S. flag stands for the amount of states we have in the United States. There are 50 states, so there are 50 stars on our flag. In today's story, Beth, Nat, and their moms will see the flags for many countries. Today, you will read carefully to find out what types of flags Beth, Nat, and their moms get to see on their trip to the flag shop. I will read the story through once without interruption. Follow along as I point. The flag shop. Mom and I went in a lot of shops in the UK. One of the shops was a flag shop. The shop had the U.S. flag, the French flag, and the UK flag. That's Mom in the snapshot with the U.S. flag. The UK flag has a big red cross on it. Nat and his mom held one up. I got this snapshot of the two of them with the flag. Now I will read the story a second time. This time I will ask you questions along the way. It is your job to answer the questions out loud in complete sentences on your own. The flag shop. Mom and I went in a lot of shops in the UK. One of the shops was a flag shop. The shop had the US flag, the French flag, and the UK flag. That's Mom in the snapshot with the US flag. See if you can answer this question on your own. What does UK stand for? Can you name a noun that names a place on this page? Pause if you need more time to look through the words. Take a look at the picture on page 37. We see Beth's mom. Beth's mom is saluting, which is a proper way of a greeting in the military. She is in front of the U.S. flag. The other flags represent other countries. Let's take a look at the text on page 36. Can you name a noun that names a person on page 36? Pause if you need more time. Let's continue reading. Follow along with me. The UK flag has a big red cross on it. Nat and his mom held one up. I got this snapshot of the two of them with the flag. Read the sentences with me. The UK flag has a big red cross on it. Nat and his mom held one up. I got this snapshot of the two of them with the flag. Can you tell a noun that names a thing on this page? Pause if you need more time. Now let's wrap things up. Answer these questions out loud in complete sentences. Where do Beth, Nat, and their moms go in this story? Which flags does Beth say they see? What do the US and the UK flags have in common? Remember, US means United States and UK means United Kingdom. What do those two flags have in common? What is the same about those flags? Number 4, what is different about the US flag and the UK flag? If you need to go back in the story and look again to answer these questions, feel free to replay. Now open your skills book to worksheet 26.1. That's 26.1 in the upper right-hand corner. You'll find this on page 147. That's 147 in the bottom right-hand corner. We will also be working on the back on page 148. That's in the bottom left-hand corner. If you need to pause or stop this video to find your page, please do so. Do not forget to put your name on your paper nice and neat. You will complete the story questions for The Flag Shop. Let's review each one. Number 1. The UK flag has a red dot, a black box, a red cross. Think back to the story to help you answer the question the best way you can. If you need to go back in the video, please do so. Number 2. Who went to the shop? When you answer this question, please make sure you answer in complete sentences. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Make sure you tell who went to the shop and not just the person's name. Number 3. Who is in the snapshot of the UK flag? Be sure to answer in a complete sentence. Do not just tell the person's name. For example, you can say, blank is in the snapshot of the UK flag. Remember, sentences start with a capital letter and end with a period. For numbers 4, 5, and 6, listen carefully to my directions. There are 5 words for each question. I'm going to read the words for number 4 and then tell you the instructions. Number 4, the words are egg, doll, gnat, boss, brick. You need to circle a noun that names a thing for number 4. Circle a noun that names a thing. For number 5, the words are Beth, flag, mat, dog, shell. For number 5, you will circle a noun that names a person. Circle a noun that names a person. And lastly, for number 6, the words are cat, stiff, yell, plum, and bud. For number 6, you will circle all of the words that are nouns. Remember, nouns are people, places, and things. Circle all of the words that are nouns for number 6. Do your best work and use your neatest handwriting. On page 26.2, you can use worksheet 26.2 as extra practice with sorting nouns with a family member. The instructions for this activity are on the page. You do not need to turn in this page. Let's go over the work that you will submit today. You will submit the story review for The Flag Shop, which is worksheet 26.1, the front of that worksheet. You will also submit the back of worksheet 26.1 for the flag shop. Please make sure your photos are clear and you will submit them to the assignments link on Canvas. Have a great day. Goodbye.